New evidence of mega flood on Mars sparks hopes for life on red planet. Incredible new high-definition photos of Mars show evidence of flood water, sparking hopes for life on the red planet. Hopes that Mars really could be our next hope have been boosted after the sharpest ever photos of flood damage to the planet were released today. Space boffins at the European Space Agency, ESA, found that ancient tectonic events must have caused Mars' dusty surface to burst open and release groundwater. Volcanic activity in the Tharsis region led to a watery blast which flooded the Casabalas area around 3.5 billion years ago. Liquid water played a major role very early in the planet's history. The ESA's news release stated that the incredible new picture preserves a record of geological activity spanning billions of years of the red planet's history. Their research found that liquid water played a major role very early in the planet's history, although the planet has remained dry and cold for the last 3.5 billion years. The huge crater, dubbed the Worcester crater because of its massive size, is 25 kilometers wide and shows clear signs of the floodwater's impact. Rocks and rubble were thrown out from inside the crater and was gradually worn away as Martian water flowed around it. But boffins have found that the downstream area had a water flow pattern which left an island undamaged and can still be seen today. The so-called streamlined island even has stepped marks down its sides, perhaps indicating the tide marks of water levels over the years. Amazingly, boffins can even identify splash patterns where the crater rubble settled in the surrounding water, allowing lighter material to pile up behind it, like sand under the ocean. The sides of the Martian craters have frozen muddy slopes which indicate where the soft rock material was pushed up onto them by lapping waves. What's more, scientists reckon there must have been many flooding events because of the deep channels which run up and down the surface area. The stunning new images were captured on May 25 last year, but has only just beamed its shocking evidence back to Earth. It's part of the €300 million, £245 million, Mars Express project, Europe's first mission to our neighbor planet, consisting of the Beagle 2 lander first launched in June 2003. So what about humans' potential for a future life on our next-door planet? Food and water would be the main obstacles to prevent humans setting up shop. But now NASA space boffins, a recent ancient fossil find linking Earth to ancient watery Mars, sparked new hope for our ability to repopulate the planet. Have started a $15 million, £12.2 million project to solve this problem. NASA believes it would take at least 2 years to get supplies to hungry humans on the red planet, so the answer could lie in learning how to recycle natural nutrients, like astronaut Mark Watney in The Martian.